It's your girl Renee from Renee's Garden. And guess what? Remember the recipe I made for the pickles with the garlic and the peppercorns and the red pepper flakes and the dill? And my friend Bernie tested it for me. And I decided to try another recipe. But this one, I am going to do the cauliflower. I did the green beans. I did squash. And what else? And broccoli in these jars. Did the same kind of brine that I put in the dill pickles. And I am letting it cool off. And I put the same kind of things in there. Look how beautiful that looks. The peppercorns, all the garlic, all that. The squash out of my garden. Everything's out of my garden except for the seasoning. The cauliflower is out of my garden. The squash right there is out of my garden. The broccoli's out of my garden. And those yellow wax beans are out of my garden. So we shall wait 24 hours, see how it does, and then I will come back and I will let you know how it tastes. Next time I do a recipe, I am going to do it with carrots, cucumbers, zucchini, and maybe some bell peppers would be cool. So I'm just taking anything that I have that's fresh out of my garden, putting it into this wonderful brine, and I'm seeing how it all tastes, because sometimes you want to try something different. And it was amazing how great these pickles were, and I've never ever done it before, but it seemed to turn out pretty good. I just love the way it looks. All the great seasonings in there. Look at that. All the pickles, peppercorns, the dill, the garlic, vinegars in here, salt, water, sugar. All that goodness is right in here. So I just wanted to bring this video to you and let you know that the pickles was a hit. So now I'm trying to make this a hit. And you know who will tell me for sure if this is a yes or a no would be my husband. So once this is done tomorrow, I will see if I can get him to get on camera and do a taste test. And he will tell us the real deal. It may not be pretty, but he's going to give us the real deal. Alright guys, look out for that video, because it's going to be very interesting. Okay, if you have made any kind of brine using different kind of vegetables, please let me know so I can see the video. Please post that and tell me what you made so I can try it out, because brine is becoming a favorite thing in my household. Alright guys, talk to you later. If you haven't subscribed to me, please do that. And give me a thumbs up. And look for that notification bell for my next video coming up. Alright guys, have a wonderful day. And I will talk to you real soon. Don't forget, try some of this. You may like it, you may not. But at least you can say you tried. Alright guys, take care. Happy gardening. And God bless.